Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers at McDonald's. First, we start with high-quality ingredients, ensuring every burger meets our strict standards. The process involves precise cooking temperatures and assembly techniques to deliver that familiar, delicious taste. We focus on efficiency and consistency, making sure each burger is prepared perfectly every time. From the grill to your hands, it's a carefully orchestrated culinary experience. Achieving the perfect patty begins with our specialized two-sided grill. It cooks the beef at a precise 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a consistent internal temperature and a delicious sear. Each standard patty cooks for about 40 seconds, locking in the juices and flavor. We add a touch of seasoning during this process, which really brings out the savory taste you love. This method guarantees a perfectly cooked patty every single time. Next, we prepare the bun and toppings. Our buns are toasted for exactly 11 seconds, giving them a warm, slightly crisp texture that complements the patty. Fresh shredded lettuce, crisp pickles, and diced onions are carefully portioned. Ketchup and mustard are applied using calibrated dispensers, ensuring the perfect amount for balanced flavor. A slice of American cheese is placed on the hot patty right after grilling, allowing it to melt beautifully. Finally, the burger assembly is a swift and precise operation. Ingredients are layered in a specific order to ensure structural integrity and optimal taste in every bite. Once assembled, each burger is wrapped quickly to retain its warmth and freshness until it reaches you. We conduct continuous quality checks at every stage, from ingredient preparation to final packaging. Our aim is always to deliver a consistently hot, fresh, and delicious burger, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.